Join me as I dive into the latest updates on WGS stock and challenge myself to predict what's next for investors. WGS stock has been on many investors' radars lately, and for good reason. The company has been making significant strides in its industry, and its stock performance has been a topic of interest among market enthusiasts. As we explore the current state of WGS stock, we'll be looking at the key factors that are driving its value and what this means for investors moving forward. One of the main challenges facing WGS stock is the current market trend. We're seeing a lot of volatility in the market, and WGS stock is no exception. The company is facing stiff competition from established players, and this is putting pressure on its stock price. Additionally, there are regulatory issues that investors need to be aware of, as changes in legislation could impact WGS business model. These are just a few of the concerns that investors are keeping a close eye on. The competitive landscape is also worth mentioning. WGS operates in a highly competitive industry, and it needs to continuously innovate to stay ahead of the curve. Any misstep could result in a loss of market share, which would negatively impact its stock performance. This is a key risk factor that investors should consider when evaluating WGS stock. Regulatory risks are also a concern. As governments around the world continue to grapple with the implications of emerging technologies, there's a risk that new regulations could be introduced that would negatively impact WGS business. Investors need to stay informed about any developments on this front. Recent earnings reports have been a mixed bag for WGS stock. While the company has shown some promising growth, there are concerns about its ability to maintain this momentum. Analyst ratings have been varied, with some experts expressing optimism about the company's prospects, while others have raised concerns about its competitive position. Industry developments are also worth keeping an eye on. The sector is constantly evolving, and WGS needs to stay ahead of the curve to remain competitive. Any breakthroughs or innovations could have a significant impact on the stock's performance. In terms of recent news, WGS has been investing heavily in research and development, which could pay off in the long run. This focus on innovation is crucial for the company's future success. A major partnership was recently announced, which could be a game changer for WGS stock. This deal has the potential to drive significant growth and expand the company's reach into new markets. The partnership is a significant development that could impact investors' decisions. It shows that WGS is committed to growth and is willing to take strategic risks to achieve its goals. In conclusion, WGS stock is at a critical juncture. Based on the analysis presented, the potential outlook for investors is promising, but there are risks to consider. If you have any thoughts on WGS stock, please leave them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out our other video on investment insights for more information.